Hi, welcome to this quick start guide on the Industrial Scientific Ventis Pro5 multi-gas monitor. In this video, we'll cover what the Ventis Pro5 is used for, what comes in the kit, its basic operation steps, and data logging and connectivity. Each Ventis Pro5 kit includes the Ventis Pro5 monitor, a charger, and a calibration certificate. Optional accessories include a pump module and spare filters for aspirator units, a data link and USB-B cable, extendable wand for confined space monitoring, and a calibration hood and CalGas for compliance testing. To set up the unit, press and hold the power button to turn on the unit. The monitor will then run a self-test. Bump tests and calibrations can be accessed through the menu keys. To calibrate your unit, first zero the device. Or for bump tests, navigate to the bump test icon and press enter to continue. The main homepage will show a live readout of the detected gases. Use the simple two-button interface to navigate through pages. This will show pages like your lens wireless, user profile, last calibration date, zeroing, bump test, and historical data such as your high and low peaks, time-weighted average, short-term exposure limit, and your calibrated alarm setup. The unit features a 95 decibel alarm, a vibrating alarm, and 4 high-visibility LED lights in red and blue, as well as a panic button. This dedicated panic button allows for workers to send a wireless distress signal. The Ventis Pro5 stores at least 3 months of data at 10-second intervals, can log up to 60 alarm events, and is compatible with iNet Now and iNet Control software. This is useful for automatic bump testing and calibration tracking, remote live monitoring with email or text alerts, and a heat map visualization of events. The Industrial Scientific Ventis Pro5 is more than just a personal gas monitor. It's a connected safety solution that combines multi-gas detection, wireless alarm sharing, and remote live monitoring. Thanks for watching our overview video on the Ventis Pro5 multi-gas monitor. We hope you found it helpful. Please be sure to check out our other videos in this series to get the most out of your gas monitor. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local AirMet team on 1-800-000-744.